This is the evidence log. The investigation starts now. In the vast, unforgiving expanse of the Canadian wilderness, a story of survival unfolded that seems almost too incredible to be true. This is the case of Juliane Koepcke, the sole survivor of a catastrophic plane crash who then endured an 11-day ordeal in the Amazon rainforest. It was Christmas Eve, 1971. Lanza Flight 508, carrying 92 people, was en route from Lima to Pucallpa, Peru. Among the passengers was 17-year-old Juliane Koepcke, flying with her mother to meet her father, a renowned zoologist. As they flew into a severe thunderstorm, the aircraft was struck by lightning. It disintegrated in midair. Juliane, still strapped to her row of seats, plummeted nearly 2 miles into the heart of the jungle. Miraculously, she survived the fall with a broken collarbone, a deep gash on her leg, and a concussion. When she awoke the next day, she was alone, surrounded by the dense, disorienting green of the Amazon. The wreckage was scattered, and there were no other signs of life. The initial shock gave way to a primal instinct to survive, an instinct honed by the lessons her parents, both scientists who worked in the Amazon, had taught her. Her father had once given her crucial advice: if you are lost in the jungle, follow water downstream. It will eventually lead you to civilization. Finding a small stream, she began her trek. She waded through creeks, battling swarms of insects that laid eggs in her open wounds. She had no food, except for a small bag of candy she found at the crash site. Hunger gnawed at her, and the constant threat of predators like snakes and piranhas was ever present. Leeches attached themselves to her skin, and maggots infested her wounds. Days blurred into a nightmarish routine of walking, resting, and enduring. Her will to live was fueled by the hope of finding her father. On the 10th day, weak and on the verge of giving up, she stumbled upon a small empty hut and a motorized canoe by a riverbank. She knew this was a sign of human presence. Remembering another lesson, she poured gasoline from a canister onto her maggot-infested wound, a painful but effective method to draw them out. She waited. The next day, a group of local lumbermen discovered her. They were shocked to find the ghostly figure of a young girl so deep in the jungle. They treated her wounds, fed her, and took her by canoe to a nearby village. From there, she was airlifted to a hospital. Juliane Koepcke was the only survivor of Flight 508. Her incredible story of endurance is not just a tale of luck, but a powerful testament to knowledge, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit. The evidence of her survival was etched into her very body, a living log of an impossible journey. Please like and subscribe for more investigations from the evidence log.